Every 56 seconds, an older adult experiences a serious fall. Not always because they tripped, but because their leg muscles are quietly deteriorating. This loss doesn't happen overnight. It sneaks up on you. Suddenly, stairs feel taller. Getting out of a chair takes more effort. And what most people don't realize is that after age 60, leg strength can drop by as much as half. But here's the real surprise. The vegetables you're eating might not be doing your muscles any favors. Most of the common ones, spinach, broccoli, simply don't contain the specific nutrients your aging legs need to stay strong. That's why today's video dives into 5 little-known vegetables that have been shown in human studies to promote muscle recovery, improve circulation, and energize tired legs. And we'll rank them from number 5 to the number 1 leg-saving powerhouse that's being studied in stroke recovery centers for its impact on mobility. Quick question: what's the vegetable you eat the most these days? Drop your answer in the comments. We're reading every one. And keep watching, because I'll show you how to combine all 5 of these veggies into a single, strength-rebuilding meal anyone can make. Number 5, red cabbage, the muscle defender. Red cabbage doesn't usually make the headlines. But inside those deep violet leaves are powerful compounds called anthocyanins, natural antioxidants that help defend your muscle fibers from the type of slow damage that comes with aging. Once you hit your 60s, the mitochondria inside your muscle cells, the tiny engines that produce your strength, begin to weaken. They generate less power and release more cellular waste, which adds to fatigue. According to a study in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism, older adults who ate a modest daily serving of red cabbage showed significantly lower inflammation markers, including C-reactive protein, which is directly linked to muscle frailty. Cabbage is also rich in sulfur-containing compounds that raise your levels of glutathione, a natural antioxidant that helps your muscles recover after even light activity. But here's the problem. Most people boil or overcook cabbage, which destroys the nutrients that support muscle repair. To benefit fully, eat it raw in salads or slaws. Add lemon juice to improve nutrient uptake, or steam it lightly for just a few minutes. Raw cabbage also supports better digestion, helping your body absorb the amino acids needed to rebuild muscle tissue. Tip: try eating red cabbage at lunch. That's when your stomach acids are strongest, giving your body the best chance to extract the nutrients your muscles crave. Don't go anywhere, because the next veggie is one you've probably tossed in the trash without realizing it's pure fuel for your legs. Number 4, beet greens, the circulation kickstarter. Most people toss beet greens aside, and that's a mistake. These vibrant leaves are loaded with nutrients that support blood flow and muscle oxygenation. They're especially rich in natural nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This opens up blood vessels and delivers oxygen more efficiently to tired muscles. A 2019 study in older adults found that those who consumed beet greens for just 10 days saw improved muscle power, especially in the thighs, where most seniors feel early signs of weakness. Beet greens also contain magnesium to relax tight muscle tissue, calcium to trigger firm, controlled contractions, anti-inflammatory compounds that ease swelling in joints and connective tissues. And they beat kale when it comes to manganese, a trace mineral that helps repair tendons and ligaments faster. Preparation tips: steam lightly with garlic and lemon to enhance flavor and nutrient availability. Add raw to smoothies. Natural sugars mask the bitterness. Seniors who eat beet greens a few times a week often report better balance, fewer cramps, and a lighter feeling in their legs after walking. Kindly like and res-share this video so more seniors can get to take a hold of their health. Stay with me, because our next vegetable helps restore nerve-to-muscle signals, which is critical for balance and coordination as we age. Number 3, mustard greens. Nerve nourishment for better balance. As we get older, it's not just muscle strength that fades. Our nerves begin to fire more slowly. That's why seniors often notice delays in balance and coordination. Mustard greens are packed with nutrients that support the nervous system's communication with muscle tissue. These peppery leaves are loaded with vitamin K1, which supports nerve insulation and muscle coordination. Folate, which helps your nervous system send faster, more accurate signals. Alpha-lipoic acid, an antioxidant shown to reduce nerve inflammation and boost energy production in aging cells. A clinical study published in Neurobiology of Aging found that diets rich in folate and vitamin K helped older adults improve gait speed and leg stability over just 6 weeks. Plus, mustard greens are a natural detoxifier, helping your liver remove toxins that can interfere with hormone signals critical for muscle repair. How to use them? Stir-fry lightly with olive oil and red pepper flakes. Add to hearty soups with beans or lentils for a double dose of leg-loving fiber and minerals. Number 2, Romanesco broccoli, the mitochondria multiplier. With its bright green fractal patterns, Romanesco looks more like alien coral than food. But don't let its appearance fool you. This veggie is a powerhouse for your mitochondria, the energy factories inside every muscle cell. What makes Romanesco special is its high concentration of sulforaphane, which triggers your body's internal antioxidant systems. Vitamin C, crucial for collagen repair in ligaments and connective tissue. Zinc, needed for muscle regeneration and cellular healing. In older adults, sulforaphane-rich vegetables like Romanesco have been shown to reverse mitochondrial dysfunction, improving muscle endurance and reducing fatigue. Here's how to use it. Roast with a drizzle of avocado oil and turmeric for anti-inflammatory benefits. Blend into a soup with bone broth and garlic for a recovery-rich meal. One more to go, and our number 1 leg strength vegetable might surprise you. It's so effective that scientists are studying it for stroke recovery and walking speed in seniors. Number 1, watercress, the muscle regenerator doctors overlook. If there's one vegetable that deserves senior superfood status, it's watercress. It may look delicate, but don't let that fool you. This peppery green is pound for pound one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables on Earth, and its benefits for muscle strength and recovery are finally getting attention in anti-aging research circles. Watercress is loaded with nitrate compounds, which dramatically improve blood flow to muscles. Vitamin K2, which helps shuttle calcium into bones and muscles. Beta-carotene and lutein, antioxidants that defend muscles from age-related oxidative stress. But the real power lies in how watercress boosts muscle protein synthesis, especially in seniors. In one recent clinical trial, older adults who consumed watercress regularly showed faster recovery after physical activity, more lean muscle mass, and improved balance and walking speed, particularly after illness or injury. It's now being studied in post-stroke rehab programs because of how it restores coordination between brain and muscle, a critical function that often fades after 60. Even better, watercress is light on the stomach and easy to digest, making it ideal for seniors with sluggish digestion or those on multiple medications. How to use it? Toss into salads with a bit of lemon and olive oil. Add to scrambled eggs or omelets for a savory, peppery lift. Or blend into a green smoothie with cucumber and pineapple for a nutrient-packed breakfast. The catch? Watercress is highly perishable. So buy it fresh, rinse, and store in a container with a damp paper towel. And eat within 3 days for maximum nutrient benefit. Quick recap. Let's go over the full list again, because combining them can create a powerful muscle rebuilding routine. Watercress for muscle protein synthesis and walking speed. Romanesco broccoli to fuel your muscle cells' mitochondria. Mustard greens to restore nerve-to-muscle communication. Beet greens for better circulation and leg energy. Red cabbage to reduce inflammation and protect muscle fibers. Putting it all together, a muscle-strengthening meal for seniors. You might be wondering, Dr. No Pill, how do I eat all these in one day without cooking all day? Good news. Here's a quick combo you can rotate through your week. Lunch salad idea. Raw red cabbage, beet greens, or baby spinach if beet greens aren't available. A handful of watercress, tossed with lemon juice, olive oil, and a sprinkle of hemp seeds for protein. Dinner stir-fry. Sauté mustard greens and Romanesco with garlic and avocado oil. Serve with wild rice or lentils for lasting energy. By rotating these vegetables through your meals, even just 3 to 4 times a week, you're giving your legs the raw materials they need to regain strength, flexibility, and endurance. And remember, the goal isn't to become a bodybuilder. It's to reclaim independence so you can lift, walk, climb stairs, and move with confidence again.